Welcome to the Shwani's delicious recipe. So today I am going to show how to fry desi style fish. So let us start. First of all, you soak imli for 10 minutes and leave it. After that, mash imli and keep aside. Remove in that soaked imli. Keep it side, and I take cutted and washed 1 kg fish. In that add ginger garlic paste according to your quantity. Add that imli water. Add chili powder. How you like spicy, according to that quantity you add, and add half spoon turmeric and half spoon salt, and then you mix it properly and marinate it 20 minutes. Take Rava 1 cup. In that again add chili powder 1 spoon and add salt half spoon and add turmeric also. Mix it. Let's go for proper fry. Add 1 spoon oil. Take marinated fish and mix it. Dip in a paste. Dip into Rava properly. In Rava you can add rice flour also, so it is very crispy. Taste is very better and delicious. Add on tawa and one side fry 1 minute and then you turn. Don't fry high flame. Spread oil 1 spoon around that. Shift a fish one side, and one side you can fry one more fish because fish is very small. Sometimes that's why some videos I saw, in that video some people not added on Rava chili powder, turmeric and salt, so that taste is very bad.